If you play Fortnite, Rocket League, or any game connected to Epic Games, turning on two-factor authentication is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your account. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account, step by step. I'll also mention what happens if you choose email verification, since I already had my email verified and couldn't show that part directly in this recording. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the real Epic Games site and not a fake page, because account security starts with logging into the correct website. Once the page loads, sign into your Epic Games account using your email and password. If you already have your account open, you can skip the login step and go straight to your account settings. After you're signed in, look for your account profile area and go to account settings. This is where Epic Games keeps all of your personal account options, including security settings, connected accounts, and login preferences. When the account page opens, find the section called Password and Security. This is the main menu you need for enabling two-factor authentication. Click Password and Security, and then scroll until you find the 2FA section. Epic Games usually gives you a few different options depending on what you want to use. You may see email authentication, SMS authentication, or an authenticator app option. Each one adds an extra layer of protection, so even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to get into your account without that second verification step. If you choose email verification, Epic Games will send a confirmation code to the email address linked to your account. Since I already had my email verified, I couldn't show that exact part on screen, but the process is very simple. You'll receive the code in your inbox, then you enter that code into the verification box on Epic Games to confirm it's really you. Once the code is accepted, your email-based two-factor authentication will be activated. If you prefer SMS, Epic Games will send a text message to your phone with a verification code. Enter that code into the website when prompted, and that will turn on SMS authentication. This is a quick option if you always have your phone nearby. If you want the strongest and most secure option, use an authenticator app. This is often the preferred choice for people who want better protection than email or text. With an authenticator app, you'll scan the QR code or enter the setup key into your app, and then the app will generate a fresh code every few seconds. You'll type that code into Epic Games to confirm the setup. This is a very reliable method and a great choice if you want added security for your account. Once you've selected your preferred 2FA method and entered the verification code, Epic Games will confirm that two-factor authentication is turned on. At that point, your account is much more secure and you'll have better protection against unauthorized logins. It's also a good idea to save any backup or recovery codes if Epic Games provides them. Those can help you get back into your account if you ever lose access to your email, phone, or authenticator app. Keeping those recovery details stored safely can save you a lot of trouble later. So to recap, the process is simple. Log into the official Epic Games website, open account settings, go to password and security, choose your preferred 2FA method, and enter the verification code to complete setup. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your account secure. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.